Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. We are here in Redcliffe today. We're doing a pre-settlement inspection and an open home for our clients. And this property behind me is one of our recent client purchases. Before I tell you about the property in a bit more detail, I want to tell you a little bit about the Redcliffe Peninsula in the Moreton Bay region and why we still see value here on the north side of Brisbane in this Moreton Bay region. Now, property prices have close to doubled over the last 7 to 10 years in this area. But one of the great things about the Redcliffe Peninsula is the cluster of suburbs here on the north side are landlocked. They're surrounded by water. There's a train station out here at the end of the line, and you've got houses like this which have been renovated and gentrified. That's the other big thing about Clontarf, Margate, Redcliffe, Woody Point. These suburbs on the Redcliffe Peninsula are currently having a lot of knockdown rebuilds. There's apartment developments and there's major renovations going on houses like this one, which are getting spruced up, upgraded, rented out on the market, or taken over by owner occupiers who are making them their own and spending a lot more money on these places. So to tell you a little bit about my clients on this property, they're overseas clients. So we deal with clients in the UK, South Africa, Dubai, Southeast Asia. Now these clients are investors looking to buy good quality property. And you can see here that this property has a high set brick home with an open plan layout upstairs, multiple bedrooms upstairs, and then usable functional multi-purpose space underneath. That's one of the key things to note about this property is that the downstairs area is not legal ceiling height, and the extra couple of bedrooms and bathroom downstairs, the bathroom counts as legal ceiling height because it's 2.1 meters, but the bedrooms and the living area are considered multi-purpose on the lower level. So the big things we liked about this property was the block size on over 600 square meters. It's got drivable side access on the right-hand side, and space out here to do a secondary dwelling down the track. The home itself is obviously a brick veneer with a ColourBond roof on top, a nice standard layout upstairs, which I'll show you a walkthrough of what that looks like. And the clients picked up this property for $1.3 million. Now, the exciting thing here is it's about investing in Southeast Queensland over the next 3, 5, 7 years. So deals like this are great for clients who have a healthy budget, want to get scarce land and locations and buy good quality property that they don't have to get involved with. I myself have done so many renovations and developments, but not as many clients necessarily want to do projects like that, and they want to buy a more set and forget property like this one. So it's currently going to be rented on the market, and then these clients may do something with the property down the track. And it's about buying the right property for the right price in the right location. As you can see behind me, there's tons of grass and land out here. And so eventually this could be redeveloped. As the area on the Redcliffe Peninsula is developed and added to, the values of these properties are going to increase, and land is your really scarce asset there. So the exciting thing about these clients is their settlement is just in a few days' time, and we've given them the entire team they might need throughout this process, from mortgage broking to ourselves as the buyer's agents on the acquisition, to property management, to conveyancing recommendations. When you work with us as buyer's agents, we give you every single part of the team that you might need as you go through this property purchasing process. So this deal is another recent deal that we just wanted to show you a walkthrough of, tell you why we still see value on the Redcliffe Peninsula on the north side of Brisbane, and how you can buy a deal that's a bit more set and forget, where you don't need to get your hands dirty and you can get a good quality asset in the market. If you're interested in buying in Southeast Queensland, head over to purposeproperty.com.au to book in a chat with myself, and we'll see you in the next one.